My name is Ashley. I'm a mom of 2. I work full-time and I'm also a homesteader. I know somebody that has chickens and she was like, hey, do you want some chickens? I said yes. I grabbed it and brought it home, and my husband started working on a chicken coop. So we did a lot of YouTube tutorials and just watched everything to become homesteading. What I love most about homesteading is really the animals. I have 3 turkeys, 17 hens, and 4 roosters. You got a white one back here that is over easy, and that one's sunny side up. And the black white one back here, that is omelet. One thing about me, I work at a gym, so everybody wants that high protein egg. So it's really just a, here you go, here's some eggs, and that gets them their protein. I have 2 mini Australian Shepherds. This one is Arlo, and the black and white is Gobi. Both of those names are from Disney. We do a lot of gardening, so we have like watermelon, cantaloupe, we have peach trees, apple trees, fig trees. We do spaghetti, squash, potatoes, onions, pretty much anything you can think of. We got our herb garden. So we have lavender, rosemary, lemon balm. We've already picked the peaches off of this, so there is no peaches on this right now, but we got about, I would say, 45 peaches off that. A lot of people think, oh, well, you're saving money doing this. It's not really saving money because you got to put a lot into it before you get your first egg. A lot of people call their first egg $1 million egg or a $5,000 egg or whatever, because you're putting all this money into the coops, getting the chickens, feeding the chickens. One mistake me and my husband did was did everything all at once. It was a lot of trial and error on that. So start small, get you a couple of chickens, learn how to do that. It's gonna take time. Don't do everything in 1 year, because you're gonna burn yourself out and say, I'm never doing this again. It is really a blessing just to see how much stuff comes from your own backyard. I don't have a very big backyard, but you can do a lot with a little space. I absolutely love it, and if you ever have a doubt in your mind saying, ooh, I want chickens, or ooh, I wanna start doing this, do it.